The 10th day of Christmas family law tip from your family lawyer is to comply with any court orders and comply with any agreement that you have reached with your ex-partner in terms of arrangements for the children, unless it's not safe to do so. So if you've reached an agreement with your ex-partner, even if it's a parenting plan that's not legally binding, even if it's a verbal agreement that you've had, it's going to always be best for the children and for your ongoing communication with your ex-partner to be compliant. It shows good faith. It's going to help with your ongoing communication moving forward, okay? If there's court orders in place and you're not complying with them, you run the risk of enforcement and or contravention proceedings back in court, which everyone would be wanting to avoid. So keep in mind, now is not the time to be withholding children or nicking off interstate. This is the time of year we see this happen, and we highly recommend against this sort of behaviour this time of year. It's not a good look either when you do find yourself before the court for a recovery order, or if your hand is forced to court because you're not complying with an agreement that you've had in place. Unless you've got a good reason for breaching that agreement or not complying with orders or complying with an agreement, it's just not going to be a good look for you, not great for the children, and definitely not good for good faith and communication with your ex-partner moving forward. That's the 10th day of Christmas tip from your family lawyer.